In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to back up your visuals or simply need them for another project, retrieving images is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the specifics and take you through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. Among the options there, look for Content. This section is your gateway to managing various aspects of your store's visual and textual contents. By selecting Content, you'll open up a range of tools designed to help you effectively manage everything you've uploaded to your site. Once you've clicked on this option, you'll then need to select Files. This choice takes you directly to where all of your files, including images, are stored. As soon as you select Files, you're presented with a comprehensive list of all the files you have uploaded onto your Shopify site. This can include every image, PDF, and any other type of document that you may have integrated into your store. This list is especially useful if you've accumulated a variety of images over time, allowing you to browse and select exactly what you need without hassle. Now, to download an image, simply click on the image you're interested in. Taking this step will open the image up, giving you a closer look, while also revealing additional options for managing it. Pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a download button appearing prominently in this spot. Clicking on Download effectively begins the process of saving the image to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the image will typically be saved in your default Downloads folder. It's as easy as that. That image is now saved directly onto your device, ready to be used as you see fit, whether for backing up or editing later. And there you have it. Downloading images from your Shopify store is completed with just a few simple clicks. This straightforward approach ensures you're always in control of your store's content, with minimal effort needed to retrieve what's necessary. Remember, keeping copies of your images is always a good practice, whether for reusing on other platforms or safeguarding against potential data loss. Don't hesitate to go through this process whenever you need to secure your images or prepare for new projects. Thanks for following along, and now you're all set to download images from your Shopify store with ease. Happy downloading!